I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins at the closing market minute for Tuesday, September 30th. Soybeans and corn both ended the session lower. USDA did report that quarterly corn and soybean stocks were below a year ago, despite some modest upward revisions to 2024 U.S. corn and soybean production. The big bearish factors during the session were expectations for generally good U.S. harvest progress over the next few days, with much of the region expected to be warmer and drier, helping to speed up activity, along with the generally favorable crop conditions right now for planting in Argentina and Brazil. As for wheat, it closed lower as well. Quarterly wheat stocks are above a year ago, and the USDA did raise their 2025 production guess slightly. It's expected to be a little bit larger than last year's crop. The quarterly grain stocks and small grain summary might be the last substantive numbers we get out of the federal government, at least for a little bit, with a partial government shutdown impending. Live and feeder cattle closed higher, with feeders in the lead on the generally tight market-ready supplies and that lower move in corn. Traders were waiting for this week's direct cash cattle business to get underway. Direct cattle markets remained quiet during the session, with no bids or asking prices as of yet. Choice box beef was weak at midday, select was sharply lower. And hogs ended the session lower on technical selling and questions about sustained domestic demand. The USDA did say that the pork carcass cutout value was firm at midday on Tuesday. That followed a firm midday quote on Monday, which was followed by a lower close on Monday. With the closing market minute for Tuesday, September 30th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins.